What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. Check this video, guys. Today I am going to show you my doorbell that I bought and I received it. So I have 3 doors, so I was happy to get a package that have 3 doorbells and also the one that make the sound when you press the buzzer. I get that 2 of that plugged in, so I get to put one upstairs and one downstairs. So anybody ring the door, I will be able to hear anywhere I'm at inside the house. Let's dive right into it. So this is the package, and my husband is going to install it. Pretty easy.
Put up the doorbell.
Video the doorbell, put on the channel.
Channel alone there.
So you get these 2 small booklets into it. And that's one of the plugged in. I plug that downstairs and one upstairs. So I got 2 of those. And 3 doorbells. So one on the front door, one on the side door, and one on the back door. These little things, you got them basically if you want to screw them on the door or you want to tape them. So it used battery, a little special kind of battery. So my husband is opening it to check on the battery and see inside. Right, so there you go. And that paper, I just remove it. So that is up and down. So on the back of the remote, if you remove it, when I remove it, it said up and down. So it gives you the exact way how to put it back on. So that is the plugged in that I plugged in the kitchen. And I remove that paper. And there you go. So there's a change in the ringtone. And the good thing about this is that you have 3 doors and you have 3 bells. You don't want all of them to sound the same because you're not going to know who is at the front door or who is at the side door. So you gotta set it. Each doorbell gotta set with the ringtone to know exactly who is at the back door and who is at the front door. So this is the good thing about this doorbell that I like. It doesn't have a camera, but we already have a camera at the front, so we don't need another camera. All we need was a simple doorbell, but this is very nice. I really like it. So we're changing the ringtones.
Volume. turn up the rooster sound. Like if we decide to use a certain ring, or get it.
So these are the two little booklet that comes in the package. We didn't use the screw. We got the two-sided tape in the box, so that's what we're going to use to put on the doorbell, the two-sided tape. So we are testing it and set them for each doorbell. So that is exactly when you know who is at the front door and who is at the back door and who is at the side door, so you know which door to open. So we have to take off these off the two-sided tape, and we have to line it up straight to make sure it fit exactly where it's supposed to fit. You remove all the papers, and then we just stick it on the door. So that's the front door. So I'll know when somebody's at the front door. So I'm really happy with this package because I have 3 doors and I get 3 doorbell, and you could change each door ringtone, and you know exactly who is at the front door, who is at the side door, when to open the front door, when to open the side door. So it's amazing. I really like it. So now we're going to do the side door.
Okay.
So you hold it down to make sure it sticks and stay there. To get such a professional doorbell for $34, $35, that is pretty good. It's a good buy for me. I really like it. And it's very simple and easy to install.
Hello, welcome.
So there you go, testing each one with different sounds for each door. I'm very happy with the purchase.
Hello, welcome.
It's beautiful. You could put it in the living room, you could put it in the dining room, or put it in the kitchen. If you have upstairs, put it upstairs. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below What do you think about these doorbells? Perfect.